Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without breaking a sweat. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of floor cleaning with a battle between two titans, the Steam & Go 10-in-1 Steam Mop and the BISSELL SpinWave SmartSteam Scrubbing Steam Mop. Spoiler alert, only one of them will survive this showdown. Let's kick things off with the price. The Steam & Go is priced at a wallet-friendly $99. Reviewers appreciate its affordability, noting that it offers great value for its effectiveness. Meanwhile, the BISSELL SpinWave comes in at a steeper $159. While some users feel it's worth the investment for its performance, others might find it a bit pricey for a mop. Overall, the Steam & Go is seen as the more budget-friendly option, while the BISSELL is viewed as a premium choice for those willing to spend more. Now, let's talk design. The Steam & Go is like a transformer. It can morph from a floor mop to a handheld steamer. Reviewers love its versatility and the range of attachments that come with it, making it suitable for various cleaning tasks. On the flip side, the BISSELL SpinWave has an intelligent LED display and a swivel head, making it easy to maneuver around furniture. Users appreciate its lightweight design and ease of use, making cleaning less of a chore. Both mops have their unique strengths, but the Steam & Go is praised for its multifunctionality, while the BISSELL shines in user-friendly design. Let's get steamy. The Steam & Go boasts a dual tank system, one for water and one for detergent, and it can reach a max temperature of 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Reviewers love the adjustable steam power knob, allowing for customized cleaning. Meanwhile, the BISSELL SpinWave offers 2 steam levels and a no-steam mode, catering to different cleaning needs. Users have reported satisfaction with its performance on various surfaces, especially on tough grime. Overall, both products provide effective steam cleaning, but the Steam & Go is noted for its higher temperature capability, while the BISSELL is appreciated for its steam-level versatility. Now, we know cleaning isn't exactly the highlight of anyone's day. The Steam & Go comes with a generous 20-foot-long power cord, which many reviewers appreciate for its reach. However, some have mentioned that the pads can get dirty quickly and are somewhat harder to find replacements for. On the other hand, the BISSELL has a removable water tank, making it easy to fill up without any mess. Reviewers have also praised its washable microfiber pads, which make maintenance a breeze. While the Steam & Go excels in cord length, the BISSELL offers convenience in tank removal and pad cleaning. In summary, both the Steam & Go 10-in-1 Steam Mop and the BISSELL SpinWave SmartSteam Scrubbing Steam Mop have their loyal fans. Reviewers generally praise the Steam & Go for its affordability and versatility, while the BISSELL SpinWave is celebrated for its user-friendly design and effective cleaning. It ultimately comes down to whether you prefer a budget-friendly option with multifunctional capabilities or a premium mop with smart features and ease of use. So which mop takes the crown? The Steam & Go with its innovative design and budget-friendly price, or the BISSELL SpinWave with its smart features and pet-saving mission? Personally, I think both mops are great, but it really depends on your cleaning style. If you want versatility and budget-friendliness, go for the Steam & Go. But if you want a high-tech cleaning experience and the chance to support homeless pets, the BISSELL SpinWave is your go-to. Whichever you choose, just make sure you buy smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Also, check the description for product links.